In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export as MP3 in DaVinci Resolve. And I accidentally did it in Wave in the video, but it is the same process. Don't get on my case. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got our 3 clips, video and 2 audio clips. The other audio is just from the video. And all you need to do here is go to deliver, and then you'll see you on video. You want to tick that off, and then go to audio, make sure that's ticked on. Go to your format, and you can choose MP3. I chose Wave. Codec doesn't really matter. And then you can choose your bit depth. 24-bit is perfectly fine here. On output tracks, since I have so many, you can just select all timeline tracks, or you can select bus 1 or whichever one your audio is that you actually want to hear. Maybe you have multiple. And then you have normalization options. I'm not going to do that. Then you want to go to add to render queue, and then pick your name and save destination. And then you just want to hit render all. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.